The COVID-19 pandemic has gripped the entire world in a short span of time. The frontline healthcare workers are the warriors battling against this virus. While they have a huge responsibility to play, they are at risk, not only to exposure to the virus, but also to a lot of psychological distress, burnout, stigma, and violence.
Healthcare workers, doctors, nurses, other ground staff, including ASHA workers who go to the field to trace people who have gotten contacts with the COVID infected individuals, and those who are treating such people in the wards are all at higher risk of getting infected.
We have witnessed the healthcare workers being faced with challenges day after day to meet the healthcare requirements.
All of them, including the doctors, staff nurse and group Bs, we are giving them with a complete PPE kit. It is actually very difficult to work with a complete PPE kit. Once they are on a PPE kit, you cannot remove them.
The unrelenting stress that the healthcare workers face during a pandemic are well documented over the years.
The doctors, sisters are continuously on the run when they are managing patients. This actually makes them physically exhausting. So by the time when they come back, they are stressed, exhausted. In addition to that, the separation from family and the fear of getting infected because they are working in a high risk area. So the fear of getting infected adds to the mental trauma what they are facing. So it becomes very important that we keep on boosting their morale.
There is a need for healthcare workers and the administrators to identify the significant impact that working with COVID-19 patients have on their mental health.
First is the fear of contracting the disease, spreading it to children at home and the elderly at home. The second is the stress of long working hours, having to deal with ill patients and even the death of patients. The most important thing is for them to get support for ensuring that their mental health is okay.
Adding to the mental health concerns that our healthcare workers are facing, we are also witnessing a rise in the discrimination and hostile behavior towards them.
Nowadays, there are innumerable media reports and stories about how the community members' myths and misconceptions of COVID-19 is affecting our health forces and health team in the community.
Care for the healthcare workers is very crucial, especially during such pandemics. Organizations need to be paying close attention to their needs and requirements as one of the first steps to ease their burden.
The systemic responses to help our frontline healthcare workers can be create an array of feedback channels so that the frontline workers can get back to the system with all their needs. Providing healthy meals and hydration during work hours, supporting the family and childcare needs, providing psychological help and mental health services.
Administrators and healthcare workers need to watch out for each other and take appropriate steps to address the mental health concerns. What can health workers do to minimize their risk for mental health problems such as depression, panic disorder, or anxiety?
To monitor and understand what is happening to you, to maintain healthy habits such as healthy eating, practice exercise, look after your sleep. Another important thing is to be compassionate and kind to yourself. Connect to others in times of distress. Share your concerns with others around you, maybe your teammates. Also, when emotions are running high, when you're tense, practicing some simple relaxation strategies such as deep breathing would be very essential.
Apart from mainstream treatment offered, alternate treatment options have been found equally effective in combating the fear and panic during times of crisis.
Simple yoga exercises like you may see in this video or on the videos of the ministry are enough to actually handle stress and bring down the stress levels as well as increase your ability to fight this virus.
A psychological preparedness needs to be planned well in advance in handling the impact such pandemics can pose on the mental health of the frontline workers at work and community level.